This is WeVision, and I'm Dan Hutchison. The development of Intel's tri-gate transistor from concept to fully functional integrated circuit was not something that came overnight. It took years of dedicated research and development to pull it off. And especially manufacturing them in volume, years ahead of everyone else, is just a real technical achievement. And I asked my guest, Mark Bohr, to come for a case study to show how a great company really approaches innovation. Mark's a senior fellow and director of process architecture and integration at Intel. Mark, welcome to WeVision.
Thank you for inviting me, Dan.
So let's go back at the beginning on the tri-gate. There's all this debate about tri-gate, FinFET, and planar and whatnot. When did FinFET really start?
Well, the first FinFET paper that I'm aware of was published at IEDM in 1989 by a Japanese company. And I was there. Of course, I was a lot younger, but I was there. And I remember thinking, this is a crazy idea. It'll never get into manufacturing.
I think everybody thought it was a crazy idea.
Well, maybe a lot of early research ideas are approached that way, but this one was different.
So when you look back and you see that, because I've done the same thing, you see something and you think it's crazy, and then later on you come back. I think at Intel, was being the paranoid company an asset?
Well, we really have to work hard every generation to bring out a new technology. But knowing that we have to meet these needs, that we have to follow Moore's law, is really something that drives us. And we know that following old procedures or old techniques is never going to last very long. We always have to invent something new.
So you don't want to leave any stone unturned.
And in the research phase, at least, we have to explore a wide range of ideas, not knowing which one will eventually be successful.
So when did you start to do research in the FinFET technology, and